Hello everyone. In this video I show you how you can add a signature to a Word document. This is one of the best ways to add signatures to Word. Open your browser, and go to the following page. Link site in the description. Click Draw Signature. Now you can use your mouse, or touch screen to create a digital representation of your actual signature. Click on Clear to start over. Once finished, click on Save. Then click on Download button to get a free PNG signature image. In Word, click on Insert, select Pictures. Choose the downloaded PNG file. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and commenting down below if this works. Thank you so much.